Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy energy in Trust Wallet. This process is essential for anyone frequently using the Tron network, especially for TRC20 token transfers. By understanding these simple steps, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate transaction fees. We will guide you through acquiring the necessary cryptocurrency and then converting it into usable energy within your wallet. It's a straightforward method designed for ease and efficiency. To get energy, you first need Tron or TRX. Think of TRX as the fuel for the Tron network. You can easily buy TRX directly within your Trust Wallet using one of the integrated third-party providers. Just tap the Buy button and select TRX. Another convenient option is to swap existing cryptocurrencies you hold, like BNB or UST, for TRX using the decentralized exchange feature built right into your Trust Wallet. Aim for at least 100 TRX to start. Once you have your TRX, the next step is to freeze it for energy. Open your Trust Wallet and go to your Tron wallet. You'll see an option, often labeled Stake or Freeze. Tap on this. Then you'll be prompted to choose between freezing for energy or bandwidth. Select Energy. Decide how much TRX you want to freeze. Remember, more TRX means more energy. Confirm the transaction, and your energy will be available shortly. With your TRX frozen, you now have energy. This energy is automatically used when you perform transactions on the Tron network, especially for sending TRC20 tokens, saving you on fees. Your energy will regenerate over a 24-hour cycle, so you don't need to refreeze constantly. If you ever need your TRX back, you can unfreeze it after a 3-day period, and it will return to your available balance. Enjoy seamless Tron transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.